Falseek 2-pack solar LED 4000 milliamp battery with a number of modes. We have an instruction guide. We have 2 LED lights, PIR sensor with angles of 3 angles, and your solar array. The remote control has 2 AAA batteries to install. The pole to install facing up in the correct direction. The small set screw into the hole and lock down. In order to test the light, place the solar array down, turn the light switch on, and after so many seconds the light will shut off. You have an on and off switch that you can shut off the light right away, and all the features and functions on the remote. For your first time, shut the light off and go install on the area of your interest. Installation is simple by taking your screws, placing it onto the area of interest, and locking down. Allow the sun to hit, charge for a day or two, and then come back and turn the unit on. It'll flash fast and you're ready to use. Select the mode of your choice. You're going to hang the other one up. About 8 to 12 feet. Pick a location and hang up in your location. With the remote control, you could point towards the unit. It'll light up. You have a auto on, the radar, which is the PIR sensor. You have a 2-hour no sensor, 3-hour, and 4-hour no sensor, automatic, a dim, and a brightness level. We'll set it for the auto and come back in the evening hours and demonstrate both lights for you. The solar street light automatically will turn on. You can shut it off so it could turn on the next day, and every day it'll turn on at that particular setting. So we're going to turn it on. It's lit up, and we're going to put it on auto mode. So from dusk to dawn, it'll stay lit at that light percentage. We could dim down and brighten up. As we dim down to the increments, as you can see it dimming down, it could go as low as to a blink in radar mode. It'll dim down after 30 seconds. And then when it detects motion, it'll brighten up to 100% and dim down after 30 seconds later. These are 4000 milliamp 5730, 12 hours of runtime with the PIR sensor from dim to 100% brightness when it detects motion when set up. It's a dusk to dawn. You have a 25, 50, 75, and 100% increments of levels of lighting. You have a 2, 3, 4 hour that will adjust to the PIR sensor when you hit the timer. So we are set up on auto on. As you can see it on there, lit up nicely. The remote control can be controlled from a distance about 20 feet or so. And then we could change it to the radar. We're going to show you the other light, what it looks like. This is the other light lit up, gives you an idea what it looks like. As we could dim the lights down in increments to show you what it looks like low. And then we could set the timer. And after 2, 3, 4 hours, the light will go up to a brighter level for security and shut back down to the low level. We have the auto mode. After 30 seconds, it'll dim down. When it detects motion, it'll go up 100% and back off. 4000 milliamps, 12 hours of runtime. No need for electricity. Recharges by the sun. Is IP rated. Enjoy your product.